So my next class would be a daily news material. Okay? So andyan na yung estudyante because he's waiting now on the other end. Let's see. Oh,
Hi.
hi.
Hello.
Wow, wow, I love the energy.
Thank you.
Okay, well, I'm Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for this afternoon. So, how do you want me to call you? So, how's your day so far?
It's been pretty good. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Wow, I like that. Okay, pretty good. Like you're so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Well, thank you for asking as well. I'm doing great today, and I'm really, really excited for our lesson. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Well, can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, everything's perfect.
Okay. Wow, I love that. Okay, so I love perfection. Okay. Well, as I can see here, we want to do a daily news material, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think we're now here in the material. Can you read the title of the article today?
Sure. Diver survives being trapped in whale's mouth.
So let's see what really happened. Okay, but before the article, let's do the vocabulary. Okay.
All right.
Would you like to read it by yourself, or would you like to do the listen and repeat drill?
I'd like to read it by myself.
Yeah, sure. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so you can start reading now.
The first word is diver, a person who uses special equipment to swim underwater for long periods of time. The divers are searching the bottom of the ocean.
Okay.
Aggressive, ready or likely to behave in an angry or violent way. Most people consider pit bulls to be aggressive dogs.
Okay. Do you have pit bulls?
No.
Okay, so that's our vocabulary. Do you have any questions?
No questions here.
Okay, well, this time let's proceed immediately to reading the article. Okay, so would you like to read by yourself again?
Yes.
Okay, I like that. Less work for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can
The
start now.
title. All right. The title is that um, diver survives being trapped in whale's mouth. A commercial lobster diver who got caught in the mouth of a humpback whale off the coast of Cape Cod on June 11th said he thought he was going to die. Humpbacks are not aggressive, and the Mayo thinks it was an accidental encounter while the whale was feeding on fish.
Wow, it's very, terrible experience, right?
Mhm. Yes.
Or horrible experience, okay? So,
Yeah, it's like animation or movie.
okay. Well, do you have any questions about the article?
No, everything's clear.
Okay, this time let's move to exercise number three, okay? So we have here, questions about checking your understanding, okay? So let's start question number one. Where was Packard diving when the accident or the incident happened?
Off the coast of Cape Cod.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. And also, he's in deep in the waters around Provincetown. Okay.
Mm, yes.
Okay. So number three, how long was Packard in the whale's mouth before being spit out?
About 30 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, and was able to breathe, thanks to his diving equipment.
Mm.
Okay, wow, great job. Okay, so I think were able to provide the correct answers to the questions. So this time, let's move to exercise number four. Okay, this time I'm gonna need your thoughts and opinions about the article. Okay, so number one, what are your thoughts on this incident?
I think, I mean, it's so surprising, and I
Mm.
think he is one of the luckiest person in the world because
Exactly.
usually,
Mm,
the person was swallowed by,
mm,
this kind of wild animal.
mm.
We are going to die, but he actually survived, so he's a
Mm.
lucky person.
Yeah, very lucky. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, yeah, it's really difficult. Okay, if you're in that situation, if I I'm in that situation, I don't know what to do. Okay, so
No.
I might, I will not die because of the humpback whale shark, but I might die because of heart attack.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Now, have you ever been diving? If so, what's the deepest you've gone? If not, would you like to?
Yes, I have, but I don't
Mm,
remember how deep I
mm,
was in.
like,
But yeah, I was
mm,
diving in Okinawa,
all right.
the southern part of Japan,
Okay.
and I saw a lot of colorful fishes.
Okay. Did like you experience it once only, or you try to do it the next time?
I think I had experienced a couple of times.
A couple of times. Okay. So, for sure you enjoyed doing it, right?
Yes, I did.
Mm. I only tried snorkeling. Okay. I never
That's
really,
enough.
yeah, yeah, that's enough. Okay. I want to try diving because I'm having difficulty in breathing when I'm, down there. Okay, so
Mhm.
and maybe I will panic when I'm down there. So instead of diving, I just tried snorkeling. Okay, so
I know. I
mm,
mean, when I was, so deep in the water,
mm,
it reminds me of the death because it's
yeah,
too silent and too dark,
yeah, mm,
and yeah, and I can't stop imagining that,
mm.
the equipment was taken off from me,
Yeah,
like
exactly.
that.
And then your thoughts will play, and then what if my oxygen, okay, will get exhausted? What will
Yes.
happen to me underwater? Okay. And it's really hard to swim, to the surface because you are so deep down the water. Okay,
Mm,
so
that's
uh,
true.
I don't know, there's a lot of things happening in our mind. Okay, so we're just trying to scare ourselves, right? Well, that's, I think, normal. Human as we are, we try to really think the negative way sometimes.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that. Let's move to exercise number 5. Okay. So let's, discuss further. Now, number 1, what animals do you find most frightening and why?
Mm, lion.
Wow, why? What, do you have like any encounter with the lion?
I know. I just thought
Mm,
that lion is a king of animals,
mm,
and yeah, they eat human beings too. So
okay. Is there like, a place in Japan that, there's a lot of lions there?
just in zoo.
Ah, in zoo. Okay, so you don't have like a particular place or a desert or a park or a forest, with tons of lions.
Yeah, I I don't think we have such places.
Okay, only in zoo. Like
Mm,
there's, I think, 3 to 5 lions and tigers, right?
mm.
Okay, that's good. And what's the most fascinating animal you've seen in the wild? Wow,
Dolphin.
fascinating. Oh, okay. Why? Why do you consider it fascinating?
Because they're just beautiful. I
Mm,
mean, even if they're just swimming, they sometimes jump,
mm,
and
yeah.
yeah, they swim so fast.
Have you like
So
watched like an animal show in Japan?
um yes, just a small one. The
Mm.
monkey show.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, the monkey show. I've never seen a monkey show. What, what is it like?
um, they're just acting like humans, like
Okay.
they draws on the paper,
Drawing. Okay.
and just they're just juggling
Okay. So it's like,
and jumping the hurdle.
okay. So it's like a circus, right?
Yes, like that.
Okay. I thought they're they're dancing and singing.
No.
Yeah, because monkeys are actually the closest genes to human beings. Okay, so
Mm,
they're like humans too. Okay. I thought they're singing and dancing. All right. Now, are shark attacks common in your country?
I don't think so.
Okay. So there's like, yeah, also in the Philippines, it's not really common to, hear some news about shark attacks. Like in the US, there's a lot of, shark attacks. Like,
Mm.
a surfer being attacked by a shark. Okay.
Mm.
A lot of things, and it's really dangerous, right? Have you
Yes.
known somebody, being attacked by sharks?
No.
Okay, not at all. Okay, so maybe, yeah, you're right. It's not common in Japan. Like, have you watched a movie about sharks?
Yes. But I don't remember the title.
But
But the woman,
mm,
got hurt from a shark and she
mm,
lost one of her legs.
yeah, okay, that's sad. Okay, I also like to watch movies about, wild animals, especially sharks. Okay, sharks, crocodiles, and what else? Yeah, there's like, it's fascinating to watch this kind of movies, okay? But the portrayal is, very exaggerated. Okay, so
Mm. That's true.
yeah, like for crocodiles, they're not actually will not really attack human beings, okay? But they will only attack human beings if they're hungry, or they think that you're a prey to them, okay? So
Mm.
do you spend much time in or around the ocean?
No, because I don't have the ocean near my
Mm,
house or near my
okay.
place. So only when I go on vacation,
Mm,
or when I went to the resort like
mm,
Hawaii,
mm,
Okinawa, yeah,
okay.
I spend my time in or around the ocean.
Okay. Like in Japan, what is the best uh beach to visit during summer?
Okinawa.
Okinawa. Okay. Wow. Okay. Is the sand white?
Yes. Uh,
Mm,
yes.
okay. It's good to know. Okay. Okinawa. What about I want to explore, um, or I want to do mountain climbing? What?
Fuji, Mount Fuji.
Okay. Mount Fuji. All right. Well, that's nice. Okay, I think that's the highest or the tallest mountain, right?
Yes.
In Japan. Okay, now are there any water sports that you'd like to try someday?
Not really. I mean, I already
Mm,
experienced
mm,
many things
okay. So not
like
water sports.
surfing, yes,
Okay.
banana boat,
Mm.
and the snorkeling.
What about swimming? Like, joining the Olympics for swimming. Don't have much time, but we're done with the material. Okay, so but before that, do you have any questions?
No questions.
Okay, so yeah, okay, so today we were able to read the article entitled Diver Survives Being Trapped in Whale's Mouth. Again, you're very familiar with, what the vocabularies we have here, okay? And yeah, okay, you're good, okay? You're good in speaking. It's there already, okay? You can have an engaging conversation because you can speak, English fluently, okay? But for people like us, okay, we just need to like, look for opportunity to practice the language every day. Okay,
Mm.
so like, if you don't have lessons here in the MM, okay, to still practice English, okay, if you don't have lessons, maybe you're busy, okay, so just think the language instead, okay? If you
Right.
can't find the opportunity to speak the language, just think the language. Okay, so like
Okay. All right.
telling a story to yourself, okay, to practice. All right, and also just keep on increasing your vocabulary every day. 3 to 5 new words in a day, okay?
All
For
right.
people like us, we need to really keep up with our vocabulary, all right, to express our thoughts well. But you're great, okay? Still ready, okay? So keep it up, all right? And I don't want to say this, but bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day and hope to see you
You too.
again. Bye bye.
Bye.